Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the progress of Checkrain PongoOS. Before we start, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook account to be updated on new videos that I upload. Okay, so let's start. As you can see here on this website, they updated this PongoOS yesterday. So let's see what's inside of this update. As you can see, they have added many updates here on iOS 15. This is what they added here on iOS 15. New lib. Example. Checkrain. src. And makefile. First let's check this Pongo 2.6.0 version autoboot. As you can see, this Pongo version 2.5.1 has now been updated to 2.6.0. If you notice, this color green is an indication that it is an updated code and the color red is not. And if we look to the bottom, you will notice a lot of green color here. Now let's look at the others. This is a good progress for jailbreak iOS 15. Hopefully they release it this month of April 2022. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you watched this video from start to finish. Thanks a lot.